Today I'm going to show you how to set up your 4G LTE Cellular Medical Alert System. It will come with instructions for your reference, but I'm going to show you how to plug everything in right now. We have the Medical Alert System. By default, it'll come with one button of your choice, but of course we have other options to fit your needs. So first you want to plug the Medical Alert System into a standard power outlet. Next, you want to turn on the switch. There's an O and an I. You want to put it towards the I. It's going to blink orange and eventually turn green. That's when you can test your system.
LTE 5 bars. System ready.
So now we can test our button.
Calling for help. Calling for help.
Hi, this is Veronica from Alarm Medical. Do you need help?
No, thank you. We're just testing our system.
Okay, so just to confirm, you're testing the system and everything's okay.
Yes, thank you. Everything's great.
Okay, I'm so glad to hear that. Remember, if you ever need help, just push your button and we'll be right there for you.
Oh, thank you so much. Well, it's as easy as that. Just remember to test your system at least once a month just to make sure everything is working properly. We do a silent test on our end, but it's good that you check yourself also. If you have any other questions about how our 4G LTE cellular system works, don't hesitate to give us a call at 877-522-9633. Thanks for watching.